My name is Catherine Schoenberg, and I'm the founder and director of the School of Images. I want to share some thoughts about an ancient practice that offers great insight into ourselves and others. Form is the shaping force of life. The notion that forms affect our world and ourselves in ways specific to their shape is both simple to understand and mysterious to comprehend. All forms or shapes contain information that is simple to read. Straight lines cut and separate, curves embrace and receive. From such simple premises that the line impacts us differently than the curve, we begin to comprehend how to read more complex structures. At the School of Images, we study these forms as literally embodied in the human shape. While human beings are complex and dynamic combinations of forms, there is a science to learning how to read them. It's called morphology, a word coined by the ancient Greeks, but practiced in one form or another in nearly every ancient civilization. It is an art you can easily learn today and which gives great understanding into ourselves and others. Human shapes and bodies are composites of different shapes whose meaning can be understood whether we're looking at those shapes or living in them. Wouldn't it be useful to be able to read them like an open book? You would gain so much understanding of who you are, and just as importantly, who your neighbor is. You will even find out that there are ways to use these combinations of shapes that we each are made of in practical ways to better communicate with others and to better harness your basic temperament and nature as you move through all aspects of your life. Here at the School of Images, you will learn that morphology is not only a science of deciphering shapes that allows you to better understand yourself and others, but also a body of work that teaches you to respond and to move harmoniously in the world.